Welcome, my friends, to Musahid's dev journey. I'm Musahidin, and in today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of database management. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to create tables in a database. So, let's kick things off by understanding the basic syntax for creating a table in a database. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Just follow along with me. To create a table, you'll want to use the following syntax. SQL, create table name, column name 1 data type, column name 2 data type, column name 3 data type. Now, I know that might look a bit intimidating at first, but fear not. I'm here to break it down and explain it step by step, so you'll have no trouble mastering this essential skill. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an exciting episode of Musahid's dev journey. Alright, let's get started with creating tables in a database. Let's open Notepad and Command Prompt. How to create tables in database. To create a table in database, follow the syntax. Create table name open parenthesis. Column name 1 data type, comma is mandatory. Column name 2 data type, comma is mandatory. Column name 3 data type, no need comma for last attribute. Closing parenthesis and semicolon is must at end of the query. Double hyphen symbol indicates for comments this line are not executed. Let's check in Command Prompt. To open MySQL from Command Prompt, type the command like MySQL space hyphen use space root space hyphen p. Next, type the password. First, I want to check the list of databases. How I am using comments, check in Command Prompt. For that, type the command show databases. Here we the list of databases are came. In this list, it will create a new database with name fruitsdb. Create database fruitsdb. Now the query is fired successfully. This fruitsdb is added. Let's check using command show databases. Look, here is the database fruitsdb. Now database is created, but we are not using it. Now check which database is currently using. To know that, we have a command select database method semicolon. Now check it showing null, that means no database selected. If we try to add any table, let's check. Create table test open parenthesis t1 varchar 30 comma t2 varchar 20 closing parenthesis and semicolon. Look, here we will get error like no database selected. To use fruitsdb or to select fruitsdb, type the command use fruitsdb. Now the database is changed. You can check again using the command select database method semicolon. Now fruitsdb database is selected. Let's create a table with names fruits. Create table fruits open parenthesis. By using double hyphen we can add comments also. This line will not be executed. Double hyphen, this is the comment for first column. This line will not be executed in query. Fruited data type is numeric using int comma. Fruit name data type is string, so using varchar and specifying the max range of characters in brackets comma is must. Color data is string using varchar and specifying the max range of characters in brackets comma is must. Price data type is numeric using decimal mention in the brackets decimal points also 10. 2 for last attribute, don't put comma next closing parenthesis and semicolon. Now the query is fired, table is created successfully. To check the created table, use the command show tables semicolon. You can see the list of tables from the fruitsdb. In fruits table not inserted or not of any data, now it is an empty set. Let's check using the command select from fruits semicolon. To delete or drop a table from the database, just follow the syntax, like drop table fruits semicolon. Query fired successfully, fruits table is deleted. To check, type the command show tables. It will show empty. Thanks watching.